It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy.
Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be testing out some makeup that I found in Aldi. So there's a couple of products, one being the mascara and one being the primer. So I'm going to put those to the test and see what they're like. If that's something you fancy watching, then please stay tuned. Right, okay, so first up I've got the primer. I've heard a lot of talks about these. To be honest, I don't know how they get away with it. I really don't, because obviously when I open the packaging, you'll see why. I have had a little sneak peek, I'm not going to lie. But yeah, so this is the Snapshot Ready Foundation Primer, which may remind you of something very similar by a company called Smashbox. So that's what it looks like. It's identical. I'm not going to lie, it is identical. Whether it performs the same, we will see. But yeah, honestly, what was this? This was £3.99, which is a lot cheaper than, to be honest, I don't know how much the Smashbox one is. I haven't used it for years. I think it's about 22, something like that. But it used to be anyway. But yeah, so I'm quite excited to see how this performs. So we're going to pop that on first. Right, okay. So this claims to be a silky smooth foundation primer that creates the perfect canvas for makeup, blur the look of pores and fine lines to become photo ready in a flash. Contains vitamin A and E, grapeseed extract and green tea, and is oil free. So we will pop that on. Right, so I'm just going to pop it on the back of my hand. I have to say, it looks exactly the same. Doesn't have a smell. So all I'm going to do is, do excuse my nails, please, don't judge me. I am doing them later. I just haven't had a chance to do them, and they fell off. As a beautician, that is one of the worst things for people to tell you, is when they just fall off. But yeah, I bit them off. Right. I have to say, that goes on like a dream, absolute dream. It's not oily, it's not tacky, it's so smooth. The finish is the same as the Smashbox one. I will take that on the chin and say that is the same. Yeah, obviously over time we'll tell wear-wise whether it is or not, but yeah, first impressions, that's blooming good stuff. For £3.99, go and get some before it's banned. Right, okay. So next up, obviously, I've just got the, this is actually was like this when I bought it. It was the last one. But this, Jesus. Yeah, but this is the mascara. So this is called Too Legit. So this claims very, very similar to another company that is rather well known. 92% saw significant length and volume, 88% saw root to tip curl, 88% saw visible lift and separation, 100% saw long wearing results. So this would be quite interesting for me actually, because the Benefit one I used to use quite a lot, but it's got like it's almost like a vinyl-y texture. It's really hard to get off as well. But yeah, I used to use that years ago. That was my like go-to mascara. I would always wear that, and it's good. It is good. There are just, in my opinion, better ones out there now, and it will be interesting to see if this is exactly the same or even similar to that product, because again, this was a lot cheaper. The only thing I will say is, with mascaras, I find that because I do have quite long eyelashes, that I get a lot of transfer throughout the day. There's only a few mascaras that I found I don't get that with. One being the Primark Wonderlash for £3, and the Too Faced Damn Girl, the Better Than Sex one I actually do get transfer with. The Damn Girl I don't know why. Oh, and the Benefit Roller Lash as well, I don't get it with that either. But yeah, so it'll be interesting to see if I do with this, because I'm pretty sure that they're real I didn't get it with either. But it's such a pain to get off that I used to find I was pulling my lashes out, so that's why I stopped using it. But anyway, so this is what it looks like. No, do you know what I mean? Just look. That's ridiculous. Right, anyway, this is the Lacura Too Legit. So what I'm going to do is, obviously they're the only two products that I'm testing today. I'm going to go away, do the rest of my face up until mascara, and then I will come back and we will bang that on my lashes. Right, okay, so there obviously is the rest of my face done. This isn't a go-to look, by the way. I have just filmed another look for the Revolution Turkish Delight palette. So if you want to see that, that'll actually be in Wednesday's video. Yes, I think this one should be going out on Friday. So yeah, the one after the next one, so Wednesday. But anyway, so I'm going to try this mascara now. So let's have a look. First up, it is identical to the Benefit They're Real wand. Look at that, it's the same wand. Right, so I'm going to pop this on my lashes. Formula feels quite similar as well, actually. Okay, so there's the first coat. I have to say it goes on really nice, and yeah, it is quite similar to the Benefit one. I'm going to pop another, obviously do the rest of the eye as well, and I'm going to pop another coat on, so I'll do two coats. That's a really good mascara. It's made my lashes look really long and separated. I really like that. I just really hope it doesn't transfer, but yeah, we'll see as the day goes on. But yeah, that's really nice. Really nice, and again, very similar to the Benefit one. I do not know how they get away with these things, I really don't. But yeah. Anyway, so there you go. So there's my first impressions of the, I nearly said Smashbox then, the primer, the Lacura primer, and Too Legit mascara from Lacura as well. Yeah, I think they're quite good actually. I'm not going to lie, I think they are really good. For £3.99 each, you can't go wrong. I would say go and snap these up, definitely, because I can see a lawsuit coming on, so get them while you can. So yeah, hopefully this was helpful to you and you enjoyed watching. If you did, obviously please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and ding the bell for future notifications. I usually upload on a Monday, Wednesday and a Friday at around 6 PM. So I hope to see you there. Thanks for watching, bye!